Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring precisely 1 cup white granulated sugar to 4 cups water. Heat the water until it reaches a near boil so the sugar dissolves quickly. This also reduces bacteria. Stir until completely clear, then remove from heat and let it cool to room temperature. While cooling, make sure feeders and lids are clean. Wash with hot soapy water and rinse well. This prevents mold and fermentation. Once cool, you're ready to move on and fill feeders without delay. Now combine the sugar into the hot water and stir steadily until the liquid is crystal clear. Undissolved grains stress hummingbirds. If you see any debris, pour through a fine strainer to catch impurities. Let the solution cool enough so you can comfortably touch the feeder. Hot liquid can warp plastic. Fill feeders to the manufacturer's recommended level, wipe off drips, and seal the opening. Once filled, position the feeder in shade to slow fermentation and reduce spoilage. Finish by establishing a maintenance routine. Replace nectar every 3-5 days in warm weather and about once weekly when it's cool. Inspect feeders daily. Cloudiness, stringy residue, or bubbles mean yeast or mold. If you see those signs, empty the feeder, scrub all parts with hot soapy water, rinse thoroughly, and refill with fresh nectar. If birds aren't coming, move the feeder closer to cover or try a different height. One troubleshooting tip. Persistent cloudiness usually means inadequate cleaning. Deep clean and shorten refill interval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.